Let's try flower breath. Find a comfortable seat and I'll show you how first. Bring your hands together, pinkies and thumbs touch like a flower. Take a big breath in as you smell your flower and let it go. Let's try 3 together. I wonder what your flower smells like. Take a big breath in, let it go. One more, just like that. Now let's try 5 on our own. Last one. How do you feel? Let's do one more flower breath together.